Today we're making banana muffins.
Yeah.
Cheers! Hi guys, today we're making banana muffins.
Yeah.
Hi guys, today we're making banana muffins. Start now. Here are the ingredients, guys. Our mommy will tell us what to do.
Go ahead.
Pour. Pour this in. Oh wow, this is gonna be hard.
Now we pour vanilla. This vanilla.
Mama said I should help you. Why are you doing it yourself? I want to try the next. I want to do the next one. Oh, I want to do the next one. Hey.
Next will be
Sissy, Mama said the next is me, not you. Take time after me. It's a pattern. Hey, no, I'm doing this one. My next is mine. Oh wow.
We have a line. This is my line. This is your line.
My turn. No, I still need to fill mine up. A few more scoops. Wow. This must be the last one for me. Now your turn. Make sure you don't put that thing down. Let's scrape all the things up so we can just get out. Oh wow, that was a big one. That was crazy. Oh no! Missy, get the batter near me. I need to pour this in. Hey guys, we're gonna bake it for 375 degrees in the oven. See you later. We'll give you guys a break.
And then we're gonna do a cupcake.
Do you guys in the Philippines want to eat one? It's cooking in the oven. This is the muffin we made, guys.
And it's amazing.
And its name is Banana Muffin.
Yeah, and it smells good and it tastes.
Cheers.
Hot good. All of one.
Let it go.
Mama. Your man have a cupcake now.
Thank you.
Yummy.
You want one?
I love what?
Muffin! Do you know the muffin? This is the banana muffin we made. Do you know the muffin man? The muffin man, the muffin man. Do you know the muffin man who lives on Dairy Day? Do you know the muffin? This is the banana muffin we made. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. We love you. Love, 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 love.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.